Hello, Delhiites! Do you want to learn the art of public speaking completely in a physical life setting experience? This isn't going to be just another webinar or going to be learning from an online course. This is going to be completely live where I'm able to create that transformative experience where you can learn to handle the mic, the stage, be able to overcome all your inhibitions and fears, and thereby be able to create that fearless speaker within you, because I believe in each one of you. This is happening on the 28th of October at Radisson, New Delhi. It's going to be a full day immersive experience, and the lunch, tea and coffee is going to be completely taken care by us. You just need to get ready to make sure that you're able to attend this one of its kind experience, because I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this again very soon in Delhi. So see you there, register your spots for a very limited hall capacity, and I'm waiting to see you there live.